All right, now for the tricky part. This is the middle brace. Now, it can go both ways, so you have to turn it. You see, we have the holes here. These two holes. These are for the... and we have the cam lock nuts at the top. So let me take you to the back. Let's get some light in here and show you where those holes should be facing. Now, you will have it turned on the bottom. Let's see if we can zoom out. Yes. And we're looking for those same holes. All right, so those holes should be facing those holes. Otherwise, the shelf won't fit. We have already installed the dowels here. You see we have our cam lock nuts on there. They have to be facing the holes for the cabinet shelf. So I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand, or am I? Yeah, I need both hands. I think it's easier. We're gonna have to turn it the right way anyway. It's gonna be easier for us to just tip it on its side, and once again those holes face inwards towards the other holes. And we just align. Avoid the temptation of stepping on this because it's just a couple of millimeters of the ground recessed into the cabinet and you might break it. Okay, just requires a firm push. How many? 3. 3 of these bolts. Let's spin you around. Right. Everything is aligned. We just start them in. And we tighten them with the Allen key. This is the fake aluminum brace with the 2 through holes here. Again, we're going to use the Allen key here. It's already aligned. All right. Here as well. Just let's adjust it. Realign. Realign as well. Here. And it has to go in here as well. Don't force it, just make sure that it's going in everywhere. Good. If you see here, that space here is gonna disappear once we tighten everything. And like I said, half a turn clockwise. See how it's getting that gap closed. Don't tighten it all the way on the initial try. Once everything is pulled in, make sure it's half a turn everywhere. Let's do the same. Let's bring you down a bit so you can see what I'm seeing. Okay. All right, gap disappeared. Here as well. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. I forgot to press record on this part. We just used the drill. We're gonna do the same on the other part. We're just gonna screw them in a bit. And then, after the doors are in, we are going to correct them, square them off. Let's get you back up a bit. Now, like I said, it might be best to use a buddy here, but if you're alone, don't fret. Use the styrofoam to shimmy up the door. We're not done yet. Now you might notice that you have a couple of bits and pieces, like screws, still left. Especially those two. They go at the back, those two holes. Okay, I'll just give it a bit more. You see how many screws and wood dowels takes for a simple perch. I don't know what you're gonna put there except scissors and pincers. Maybe the occasional plant, but this thing is solid. Just half a turn. Yeah, that is moving. Two screws like these. lightly, not too tight. There, not moving. All right, now let's take care of the shelf. Very easy to put in. Okay. Make sure the pointy bit faces straight up. And it's gonna fall into place. Let's see how we did. Good. We're gonna install these silicone bumpers, and we're gonna install them on all four corners. And there we have it. Now get a buddy to help you put the tank on the stand, because that thing is heavy, 45 kilograms to be exact, or 99 pounds. The whole thing plus the stand weighs 139 kilograms, which is 370. So congratulations, it's a 300 pounder. This is empty. Imagine how heavy it would be once you fill it up with sand, wood and rocks. So place it somewhere where the floor is well supported, and you do need a buddy to get this on as well, because space is at a premium in houses, and you might not have space on either side of the tank, so it requires to be in very uncomfortable positions if you're shoving it somewhere. Just be mindful of that and be careful of the glass. Things expensive. All right, that's it from me for now. Next, we're gonna look at the filter, the lights. Stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you know once a new video is up. Have a good one.